I earned that scar. All of them.
Last door to the right.
Better sharpen my blades.
You're early. Take off your clothes. I will be with you when I'm ready.
Mind if I keep my sword?
Sword? Who the hell are you?
What? Don't like what you see?
Maybe after you take a bath.
I'm told you have information about the Kitsune.
I am a commander in the Matsumai army. I don't answer to dirty mercenaries. Now get out before I arrest you.
Before or after you put on your clothes?
Find what you were looking for?
Bastards.
May I present Oyuki, the songbird of Ezo?
Quiet down. Show starting.
Drills, drills, more drills.
Oi! Play something more lively.
Better yet, put down that shamisen and dance.
You want to dance?
Haven't we shown you enough fun?
Go on. Give us a tune. Just fists. I don't need another bounty on my head.
Get him!
Typical samurai.
Where did the woman learn to hit like that? Not human.
What's wrong? Can't keep up?
You!
Me.
Get up, you idiots! Execute her!
Is that wise? I can't imagine Lord Matsumai will be pleased when he hears his men were bested by a single wanderer. And a woman at that.
And how will he hear such a tale?
Nothing travels faster than a good song.
This never happened. If I see your face again, you'll wish for a simple execution.
Meet me outside.
You didn't have to do that,
I know.
so why risk your neck?
I heard you asking about the Kitsune. He's the leader of the Nine Tails, a group of shinobi terrorizing Tishio Ridge.
You know a lot for a musician.
Almost everyone here has been affected by the Nine Tails. Take a look at the village, and I'll show you. What do you see?
Stables?
The Nine Tails use the horses as bait to draw their masters into the forest. Only the horses return.
An old mill.
Abandoned. The Nine Tails scared off the miller and his family. We still haven't found a replacement.
A forge. In need of a fire.
And a master. The swordsmith who tended it was killed by the Nine Tails. There wasn't even a body for his daughter to bury.
Then how do you know he's dead?
They didn't have time to wash away the blood. The Nine Tails used to keep to themselves. It's only in the last year they've become aggressive. The settlers hoped the Matsumai would help. But, well, you've met Commander Fujita.
So now you're wondering what someone like me can do.
You'll help us then?
I came here to kill the Kitsune. Might as well get paid for it.
Some might sneer at such pragmatism.
Some don't know what it's like to live on mushrooms and grass.
If you need a lead, I know where you can start. Follow me.
You play like someone I used to know.
Is that a compliment?
You don't hide from your shamisen. You let the music flow through you.
It is the one place where I can be myself, completely unguarded.
That's why I like to play alone.
We're here.
A shrine? How is this a lead?
You must understand that to many, the Kitsune isn't human, but a powerful shapeshifter. A trickster fox who scares more than children.
Is that what you think? That the Nine Tails are evil fox spirits?
I think they are flesh and blood who use fear to get what they want. But other settlers leave offerings, hoping for protection. Someone comes to collect. An offering could draw them out.
Then we follow them.
A few coins should do the trick.
If this doesn't work, I'm taking my money back.
That would be stealing.
Then you are repaying me.
Now we wait.
Head up that ridge. It'll give us cover.
Settle in. We may be here a while.
What?
You look like a woman with a story, yet haven't said a word.
You might put it in a song.
Are you from Ezo?
I can tell you're not.
What gave me away?
Your clothes, the way you talk. You were born on the mainland, or at least spent time there.
The samurai and their wars have kept me on the move. I thought I could escape all that in Tishio Ridge.
But they followed you even here. Might be time to find a new home.
The kitsune took something from me. I can't leave until I get it back.
Foxfire. They're here. Look, a nine-tail is taking the offering. Let's go.
You lead the way. I'll try to keep up.
Stay low. If we're careful and lucky, they'll lead us to the kitsune.
Or into a trap.
They ambushed me once. It won't happen again.
They stopped.
I need a closer look.
What are they doing?
Brushing snow off a rock. There's a symbol.
Does that mean something?
The kitsune uses symbols.
Like some form of communication?
Or instructions. We can't lose them.
Careful. There could be more hiding in these woods.
It's a risk we'll have to take.
They're stopping again.
What are you bastards up to? Another symbol.
You're right. I think they're following instructions.
They're splitting up.
Did they see us?
I don't know. Take the one on the right. I'll follow the others. Where did he go? You're not a nine-tail, are you?
Kill the snake, yes? Let's see what you have.
You'll get nothing from me.
Where's the kitsune? Tell me!
I couldn't keep up with a nine-tail. What happened here?
He'd rather die than talk.
Flesh and blood?
What are you doing?
In my traveling days, I used to hide song lyrics in my shoes. An evil spirit wouldn't need a map, but a mere mortal.
There's another symbol on it.
What do you think? Could it be a hideout?
Could be. Head back to the inn. I'll find you when I'm done.
That's it? You're rushing in alone?
You would rather I wait around like the Matsumae? I didn't think so.
I don't even know your name.
Atsu.
Atsu.
Let's see where this map leads. This looks promising. That's the symbol I found on the Ninetail who ambushed me. How do I get inside? These statues match the ones on the lanterns. Now to find the kitsune. What is this place? A training ground?
How did you get in here?
Bring me the kitsune and I'll tell you. Kitsune! Where is he?
Oh, damn it! We'll never return home.
Get back here! More tricks. There must be a way through. Another nine-tailed fox. Two are missing. Where are the others? Something. Sneaky bastards. Where did you run off to? They're hiding somewhere. More symbols. If I only knew how to read them, maybe something around here could help. What's this?
That scroll is not for your eyes.
All I want is the kitsune.
He is beyond your reach.
A list of symbols and their meanings. A cipher. I'll make a copy. These will prove useful. Up. Down. Right. And left. Engage. Forward. And death. I'll try to avoid that one. Maybe I can use this to escape. cipher works.
Get ready!
That's all of them. The Ninetails came from up there. Could be an exit. A symbol. The symbols relate to the statues somehow. Shinobi armor. I can use it against them. I don't see anything else of use. Need to get out of here. Kitsune's not here, but at least I found his cipher. I'll bring it back to Oyuki. She might have another lead. That's right.
I know. It's so good to see you.
Should show the Ninetales cipher to Oyuki. She might have a new lead. Waiting for someone?
A stingy wanderer who abandoned me in the woods.
The map led me to a cipher for the Ninetales symbols.
Then we were right. It's how they communicate.
When I first arrived in Teshio Ridge, I was ambushed by the Kitsune. Before I got away, I found a symbol on one of his men. I think it means hideout.
He was going to take you somewhere? For what purpose?
I don't know. But he might still be there, if we can find it.
The Matsumai have been tracking the Kitsune for months. Combine their knowledge with your cipher, and we may be able to find this hideout.
Last time I spoke to Commander Fujita, he said he'd execute me.
Only if he saw your face. Come with me.
Where are we going?
As a performer, I've learned to keep my audience wanting.
I'd never get paid if I did that.
Behind this wall is a secret passage we can use to spy on Commander Fujita.
You're surprisingly useful.
I tried to tell you. The original owner of the Red Crane Inn was a prospector. He used the promise of a hot bath to eavesdrop on the competition, and then blackmail them.
He sounds like a pervert.
I prefer to think of him as shrewd. Careful. It's a tight squeeze.
We have to find a way to get to the truth.
Don't linger. If that woman finds the kitsune before we do, no one is going home.
Sir.
Tell Chosuke he either coughs up new information, or he'll be shot a knuckle.
Chosuke. Sounds like the Matsumai have an informant. Maybe he can tell us about the Nine-Tails hideout.
But where are they meeting him? I need to get in there.
I'll distract the commander. Just be quick about it.
No, folk spirits and ugly, meddlesome women. This is the worst posting in Ezo. And all because of a simple misunderstanding.
Commander Fujita?
Now's my chance.
You humiliated me in front of my men.
Looks like they've hit more dead ends than leads. Ah, there.
There's a commotion.
Chosuke's name is marked near the Nakajima Sake house. Anything else of use in here? Soft and dainty hands bring pleasurable pressure. I'll sleep well tonight.
Find anything?
Still looking. Here we are. A note from the informant. Chosuke even mentions the symbols in this letter. But the samurai can't read them. That's enough to go on. Fujita will be back soon.
This is the one time he would not be pleased to find two women in his room.
The samurai are meeting their informant at the Nakajima Sake house. Do you know it?
The proprietor has been asking me to perform there for years. But he's the kind of man who easily gets the wrong ideas.
Stay here. That won't happen to me.
You'll only start another fight with the Matsumai. I have a plan, but it requires an open mind.
I don't like the sound of that.
You want to find the Kitsune's hideout, don't you?
Don't lie to me. The shamisen woman told me everything.
You were quick to think of those secret passages. That wasn't the first time you spied on guests.
Innkeeper Ume showed them to me as a place to hide if the Nine-Tails attack. But if I know my audience, I can tailor my performance to their needs.
I knew it.
Do you not learn about your clients before taking a job?
My clients are a bounty poster and a price. But I don't hurt kids or animals.
How noble. Your horse is fond of you.
I feed him.
It's more than that. You move practically as one.
Something about him spoke to me. You could say we chose each other.
Animals can be easier company than people. They're less likely to stab you in the back.
And they don't judge. What's this plan of yours?
The Matsumai, and likely their informant, will be on the lookout for a woman with a sword. What they won't be expecting is a waitress.
No, absolutely not.
All you have to do is follow my lead and keep an ear out for Chosuke. It's like any other scouting job.
Except I'll be in the kimono, without my sword.
Do you want to find the kitsune or not?
If this doesn't work...
Then we do it your way. Sword swinging and blood spraying. Here we are. Nakajima Sake house. Dismount and we'll get you changed. Any looser, and they'll want more than sake. There. You look so... We need people to order drinks, not call for help.
I can't change my face.
The other day, when you watched me perform, what were you thinking of?
How it must be nice to sit around and play music all day.
You looked peaceful. If you think about it again, it might fix our scowling problem.
Won't the owner recognize that I don't work here? What if he starts asking questions?
Deflect. You're good at that. Come on. Let's find this Chosuke. Try to be polite, and absolutely no violence.
Define violence.
A physical action that provokes anything other than a thank you.
There she is, the most beautiful musician in Ezo.
Heita, does your offer still stand?
Of course. But who is this?
I've worked here for 2 years.
Oh, you must have changed her hair.
She's kindly offered to help me warm up.
Our best patrons are upstairs. Practice on the rabble down here. They won't know any better.
Remember, we're looking for the Matsumai's informant, Chosuke. He's our best chance at finding the Nine-Tails hideout.
You sound nervous.
I have a reputation to uphold.
May I present the lovely Oyuki and Nakajima's very own waitress.
I'll play something simple. Try to follow the best you can. Eyes down, ears open.
The samurai were poking around again. I heard they paid off Chosuke's debts.
Clan Matsumae is covering Chosuke's debts.
Must be why he's willing to risk the Nine-Tails' ire.
Last week he lost everything but his shoes.
Where's Chosuke finding the money to gamble?
Chosuke's a gambler.
Heita keeps a room upstairs for Zeni Hajiki.
Chosuke here yet? He promised me around the sake.
You're kidding. He's always Heita's first customer.
Chosuke's here now. He arrived this morning.
Then he's likely upstairs. Once you find Chosuke, slip this into his cup.
What is it?
Something his stomach won't soon forget. Thank you for listening.
I don't know what Chosuke looks like.
Offering a free round of sake should do the trick. May this song bring you luck, or comfort in your misfortune.
Master Chosuke,
Who's asking?
your friends from the south would like to cover your next round of sake.
Oh? Oh, then I'll take something refined. Elegant. Expensive.
No prices. Which one would he want? Notes of milk. Like a fog blanket. Too heavy. strong. That's what I would order. Not exactly refined. That sake? It's smooth. Dangerous. I almost feel bad tainting something so delicious. Please enjoy.
Oh.
Your play.
I have to. Oh no.
Too easy. Come, Atsu.
He's not going to die, is he?
Not if he drinks plenty of water. But maybe don't tell him that. Breathe, Chosuke. Or the parasite that danced its way into a sake cup will only become more aggressive.
Who are you? What do you want?
Talk to me about this symbol.
I saw it on a piece of fabric at a dye house near the river.
What else?
The owner has been acting strange. Her shop's been closed for weeks. She won't even sell to long-time customers. Am I going to die?
Go home. Brew a large pot of tea and drink every last drop.
And Chosuke, lay off the dice.
To the dye house, then.
As soon as I get out of this damn kimono.
Hey, you guys, thanks again for watching that Gentleman Jug play. Please check out all the other things that Gentleman Jug has to offer, especially all the videos. And if you like this video, please do all the other things all the other YouTubers tell you to do. And check out the Gentleman Jug cast, pretty much available wherever you can listen to your Jug cast. Peace out! Born at the bottom, but now I'm top down. Look, I'ma call it swagger. I slip through time zones like a cloak and dagger. Mad rubies on my